welcome to Easy Learn. This is Usha. Let's see exercise 2.5 seventh question. Evaluate the following using suitable identities. Here we have the first bit 99 whole cube. 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 whole cube, right? Which is in the form of a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, right? Now, in the place of a we have 100. Here we have written 99 as 100 minus 1, right? So, which is in the form of a minus b whole cube. In the place of a we have 100 and in the place of b we have 1, right? If we substitute in the identity a and b values, what we get? 100 minus 1 whole cube equal to 100 whole cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1 into 100 minus 1. Clear? 100 whole cube means 100 into 100 into 100. That means 10 lakhs it will become. 6 zeros. Minus 1 cube value is 1. Minus 3 into 100, 300 into 1, 300. Into 99. 10 lakhs minus 1 minus 300 into 99 is 29,700, right? Now if we simplify 10 lakhs as it is a positive value, here minus 1 minus 29,700 will become 29,701. If we subtract 29,701 from 10 lakhs, it will become 9 lakhs 70,299. If we subtract 29,701 from 10 lakhs, we'll get 9 lakhs 70,299. Okay, which is equal to 99 whole cube. Is this clear? Right. Let's see the second bit. 102 whole cube, which can be written as 100 plus 2 whole cube, which is in the form of a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Clear? Now what is there in the place of a? 100. In the place of b we have 2. Here in the place of b 2. Clear? Now substitute a and b values in the identity. 100 plus 2 whole cube equal to 100 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into 100 into 2 into 100 plus 2. Clear? 100 cube value is 10 lakhs plus 2 cube is 8. 2 into 2 into 2, which will become 8. 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 100, 600 plus 600 into 102. Clear? Now 10 lakhs plus what it will become? 612. 6 into 102 is 612. 0 0 means 0 18 it will become. Clear? If I multiply 600 with 102, it will become 61,200. To 61,200, if we add 8, it will become 61,208. Clear? If we add 10 lakhs with 61,200, it will become 10 lakhs 61,208. Clear? This is the cube of 102 whole cube. Clear? Right. Let's see the third bit. 998 whole cube can be written as 1000 minus 2 whole cube, right? Which is in the form of a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Clear? Now what is there in the place of a? 1000. What is there in the place of b? 2. Right? Now substitute a and b values in the identity. 1000 minus 2 whole cube equal to 1000 whole cube minus 2 whole cube minus 3 into 1000 into 2 into 1000 minus 2. Clear? 1000 whole cube means 3 times it will increase. Zeros will increase 3 times. So 9 zeros. As the power is 3, so it will increase 3 times. Right? 2 cube value is 8. 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 1000, 6000. Minus 6000 into 998. Clear? Now 1 followed by 9 zeros. Minus 8 minus 6000 into 998 is 59 lakhs 88,000. Right? Now if we simplify more, 1 followed by 9 zeros minus 8 minus 59 lakhs 88,000 will become 59 lakhs 88,008. Clear? Now if I subtract 59 lakhs 88,008 from 1 followed by 9 zeros, it will become 9940119992. Clear? This is the 998 whole cube value. 998 whole cube is 9940119992. Clear? Let's see exercise 2.58 problem. In that first bit is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Clear? So 8 can be written as 2 cube, right? So a cube. 2 cube, a cube can be written as 2a whole cube plus b cube plus, from these two terms we can take 6a square a b as common. 6 will go in 12 two times. So 2 a's are there, right? 1a we have taken as common. So 1a will remain. B already we have taken common. So B won't be. Plus 6 already we have taken common. A also we have taken and B also we have taken as common. But here B square is there. One more B left. Now this can be written as 2a whole cube plus b cube plus 3 into 2a we can write right into b into 2a plus b. Clear? Now which is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. That is equal to a plus b whole cube. So here we have in the given question is in this form. So we have to write in this form. In the place of a we have 2a whole cube plus b cube plus 3 into 2a into b into 2a plus b is equal to 2a plus b whole cube, right? So which can be written as 2a plus b into 3 times. If you multiply the base, we'll get 2a plus b whole cube. 2a plus b into 2a plus b are the factors of the given polynomial. Clear? Right. So therefore 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square is equal to 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. Let's see the second bit. In the same way, like previous problem, here 8 can be written as 2 cube, a cube. 2 cube a cube can be written as 2a whole cube minus b cube minus, here from these two terms, minus 6ab we can take as common. Right? Now, if we take 6a minus 6ab as common, what will remain in this term? 2a will remain. Minus already I have taken common. Minus into minus plus. So 6a b, 1b also we have taken common. So b remains. Now this can be written as 2a whole cube minus b cube minus 3 into 2a into b into 2a minus b, which is in the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b is equal to a minus b whole cube. Yes or not? Right? Now, the given question is in this form, so we have to write in this form. That means we will get the factors of the given polynomial. 2a whole cube minus b cube minus 3 into 2a into b into 2a minus b equal to 2a minus b whole cube, which can be written as 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b are the factors of 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Right? Let's see third bit. 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. So this is the given problem which we have to factorize. How we can factorize? By using the identity here. Okay. Now 27 can be written as cube of 3. Yes or not? 3 into 3 into 3 will become 27. So I am here we can write it as 3 cube minus 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. 5 cube. 5 cube a cube means 5a whole cube. Clear? Minus, here from these two terms itself we will get to know a is 3 and b is 5a. Clear? Now we can write it as minus 3 into 3 into 3ab form. 3 into 3 into 5a into, if we take 9 into 5 is 45. If we take 45a as common, what will remain here? 3 will remain. 3 minus I have taken common, right? So minus will remain. 45 I have taken common. That means 5, 1a already I have taken common. A will remain. Clear? Now, which is in the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, which is equal to a minus b whole cube. Clear? Now we know a is 3, 3 cube minus 5a whole cube minus 3 into 3 into 5a into 3 minus 5a equal to 3 minus 5a whole cube. Clear? Can be written as, therefore, 27 minus 125a cube plus minus 135a plus 225a square equal to 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a. Clear? These are the three factors for this cubic polynomial. Clear? Right. Let's see the fourth bit in the similar way, which we have done 1, 2, 3. Clear? Now 64 can be written as cube of 4. That means 4 cube. 4 cube a cube means 4a whole cube. Minus 27 can be written as 3 cube. 3 cube b cube means 3b whole cube. Now a and b values we got from here. So minus 3 into 4a into 3b into 4a minus 3b. Clear? So from this we have, it is in the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Clear? Which can be written as a minus b whole cube. Here in the place of a we have 4a and in the place of b 3b. So 4a whole cube minus 3b whole cube minus 3 into 4a into 3b into 4a minus 3b is equal to 4a minus 3b whole cube, which is equal to 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108 ab square is equal to 4a minus 3b into its whole cube, right? So 3 times we have to write 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b are the factors of the given cubic polynomial. Clear? Right. Let's see fifth bit. Here 27 can be written as 3 cube. 3 cube p cube means 3p whole cube. Right? 216 is the cube of 6. 6 cube means 316. 216. So 6 into 6 into 6 equal to 216. That means it can be written as 6 cube. 1 cube 6 cube means 1 by 6 whole cube we can write, right? Minus, here from these two terms we know a and b values. So we can write it as 3 into 3p into 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6. If we simplify again, we'll get the same 9 by 2 p square. If you want, you can check. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 3 into 3, 9. P into p square by 2. And minus into minus plus. So 3 will go in 6 2 times. One more 3 will go in 6 2 times. So 2 into 2, 4 p. Clear? So same. The value will not change. Now it is in the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, which we can write it as a minus b whole cube, right? Now in the place of a we have 3p whole cube minus 1 by 6 whole cube minus 3 into 3p into 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 is equal to 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube. Clear? Therefore, 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p equal to 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 are the factors of the given cubic polynomial. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe, like and share. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get the regular updates of my classes.